Ayun, so guys, usapang boxing tayo. Pag-usapan natin dito, bakit sa tingin ko mananalo si Ryan Garcia? I think mananakot niya si Manny Barrios. Fearless prediction. And duda ako dito sa pagbabalik ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. Di ko alam kung totoo o nagpapahype lang siya. Tapos si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Alam niyo ba kung kailan laban niya? Sabihin ko sa inyo after this.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Ang daming nakakagulat ngayon, ano. Mark Magnifico Magsayo muna tayo. Mark Magnifico Magsayo, of course, signed with Zupa Boxing. At well, hindi na ako nagulat kasi alam ko magsasign talaga ang Zupa ng Filipino. Dapat lang kasi ang boxing is Filipino sport din, no? Si Mark Magsayo talaga pinaka-closest na masasign dyan. Now, Mark Magsayo announced that he's with Zupa. Now, we've heard that his first promotional fight with Zupa will be on April 5, 2026. So, hindi pa natin alam kung sino kanya mga kalaban. But it is expected that he will have at least 3 fights every year. So, that's good, no? What's unexpected is, hindi ko alam kung alam nyo na, si Conor Ben. Iniwanan si Eddie Hearn. Ako, medyo delikado yan. Alam mo, meron pang nililigawan ng Zupa Boxing na hawak din ni Eddie Hearn. Sino, hulaan niyo kung sino? Pag nahula, i-comment nyo muna bago ko sabihin kung sino yung sinasabi ko. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung sino yung naku, napakalaki nito. Napakalaking, hindi literally na malaking fighter, pero malaking pangalan itong boxer na sinasabi ko. At pag na-sign ito ng Zufay, talaga namang ibang klase na. Ibang klase yung Zufa. Zufa is kumbaga, disrupting already the industry because of this movement na ewan ko ba kung anong plano nila dito. Anyway, bago ko sabihin kung sino yan, Amerikano yung clue, tas Mexican yung coach. Ano pa ba yung gusto kong sabihin, i-share sa inyo? So, Ryan Garcia muna tayo. Ryan Garcia. So, teka, nakalimutan ko, nasa Bohol pala ako sa laban ni Eman Baco sa Pacquiao, yung anak po ni Manny Pacquiao. So I'll be there February 28. So kung sakali may taga Bohol po na nanonood dito, please comment. Kita tayo sa Bohol sa Tagbilaran po. Okay? Hanapin nyo na yung detail kung saan mismo. I think sa Tagbilaran Cultural Center, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, Ryan Garcia is gonna win because there's two things. I think, although lamang siya sa odds, which is dapat hindi, no? The champion yung Mario Barrios eh. Mas malaki yung Mario Barrios. Mario Barrios very disciplined. But I think Ryan Garcia at 147 is powerful. It's still fast. And I think the motivation for Ryan Garcia to win is higher. He cannot lose this one. If he lose this one, hindi lang ako mapapahiya. No? Siya, mawawala talaga yung value niya dahil medyo pag magaganda yung laban, pag matataas, he falters down. And that's not good for his resume. Especially, I think kailangan siya ng boxing. No? Kailangan siya ni Oscar De La Hoya. Oscar De La Hoya, meron pa siyang different issues, yeah, with his promotion. So, but he needs to win this one. Especially, I heard that after this one, he will be a free agent. What if he signs as well with Zupa? Naku po, malaking ano yan, malaking balita. If Ryan Garcia signs with Zupa Boxing, that will be one of their biggest signing because of the popularity. But beside the point, isa pang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, no? Kung technical part ng hinahanap mo kung bakit sa tingin ko mananalo si Ryan Garcia, na-explain ko na yan. Meron akong video dyan, and what was the title of that video that I created? Why I Changed My Mind, Ryan Garcia versus Mario Barrios prediction. So, nandun yung technical side of it, but today, sinasabi ko lang na Ryan Garcia ako by knockout. Latter rounds. Basta, sa tingin ko. At may nakita akong video, hindi ko napapakita dito, pero yung Mario Barrios, parang sinisipon. Parang barado ilong. So, at the latter rounds, baka mahirapan huminga itong si Mario Barrios. So, by knockout. Okay? Alam mo na, message po kayo sa Facebook page ko for Arena Plus, 21 years old and above, game responsibly po. Or you can meron akong link sa description ng message, tas automatic makikita naman doon yung ano, may autoresponder po yan na Arena Plus. Yun lang po yung i-message, i-click nyo to register that. Only in the Philippines, unfortunately. Yun po yung license yan. Kasi, ano yan eh, license po yan ng Pagcor eh. Hindi tayo nakipag-partner pag hindi legit. And lastly, di ba kayo nagdududa o nagtataka dito? Parang planado eh. Parang planado ang pangyayari. So, um, Floyd Mayweather and Mike Tyson will have an exhibition fight in April. Manny Pacquiao and Ruslan Provodnikov also announced their exhibition fight in April in two different locations. Now, one is in Congo, yung kay Floyd Mayweather, kay Manny Pacquiao is in Las Vegas. And then, just earlier today, a lot of news agencies, boxing agencies, said that Floyd Mayweather is unretiring. Okay? And this is why hindi mo ma-question yung ano, yung mga ibang boxers na nag-unretire sila. I mean, if two of the biggest boxers in the world that has earned millions already, I mean, that's technically, technically do not need to fight because they have a lot of money already coming from their illustrious career is coming back. And why not the others, no? No? So, ang nararamdaman ko tuloy, this is a setup for the rematch. I mean, it smells like it. I hope so. Some of you guys sabihin eh, hindi na kailangan yan, boring yan, but I think it would make money. And Netflix, I think, is behind this. No? Pwede. Pwede kasi sila yung tag dito, sinusuportahan nila si MVP, si Jake Paul. Ito pa, sa tingin ko, malaki ito. So, I think Floyd and Manny would really, truly fight. I mean, if Floyd is gonna return to professional boxing, what is he gonna do? Is he gonna fight? Diba? The only guy that makes sense for him to fight is Manny Pacquiao. Likewise with Manny Pacquiao. I mean, you don't need to fight any of the young guys na sino ba kakalabanin niya? Unless, yung kakalabanin niya, yung mga established na si Terence Crawford, who's also retired, baka babalik. That would be interesting. But, kakalabanin ba nila si Terence Crawford? Parang malabo yata na kalabanin nila si Terence Crawford. Grabe yun, delikado. Ito yung okay, at least medyo match. So, watch out, guys. Let me know what you think. I think they're gonna fight. And let me know kung anong prediction nyo pala. I-comment nyo nga yung prediction nyo kay Ryan Garcia at saka kay Mari Bias. I'll be doing baka mag-live ako ng final thoughts and predictions, but I'm definitely gonna be doing a live boxing commentary of Ryan Garcia and Mari Barrios. So see you there. All right. Thank you guys. Salamat po sa pakikinig sa ating Pauka Sports Boxing Daily. Thank you guys.